Yo, welcome ladies and gentlemen to the channel. This is just a quick video on how to merge miners in Rollercoin. Okay, so start off with, this is your home thing. Then you go over here to this little icon over here. You click on that. It's like a house with stocks in it or something. And then you go down, you find your miner. For me, it's this one, the very first one, simple one. And you will need the exact amount of parts from here and here and here. So for this one, I need 2 of them miners. I'd recommend having 3. Always have 3. And then 22 of these parts, and then 22 of these common parts, and then 22 of those common parts. If you don't have those parts, you can always buy them over here in the exchange. So here you can type it in and find the common hash board, which is this one, which are currently going for quite a low price. And then you can buy the other ones, which will be fans. Fans. There we go, fan there. And other such stuff. Okay, so once you have all of them, go over here, click on this, blah blah blah. It will cost you 0.01 RLT, to which I have 5.32. And that will take that down to 3.1. Right. And then you click merge. And then it will say, are you sure you want to merge your miners? And you will say yes. Boom, and there you are. The merge is successful. It will be in my inventory right now. Miners here. There we go. Lovely. And that instantly increases the bonus from 0.1, which was the original, to 0.11, which is awesome. Now I'm going to go ahead and just gonna plop that in my little shelf. There we go. Boom. And that is how to merge miners in Rollercoin. If you liked it, like, comment and subscribe. If it's your first time here, feel free to sign up to this website using my link below. And that link below is an affiliate link, so it will give you 1,000 free Satoshi when you join, as opposed to not joining with it and you have none. But it's up to you. Join with the affiliate link below and get 1,000 free Satoshi. Alright, thanks guys. Peace out.